What's up, guys? Welcome back to MRM Cars. I'm Miles. So before we get into this video, which is a drag race between the three quickest cars on our list of the best supercars from the 1980s, 90s and 2000s, and the third one, which is the Carrera GT, is actually the third quickest, since the SLR is, and the SLR only has, the SLR is only featured in Motorsport 6 of the newer games, and sadly Mihir doesn't have that game, so couldn't do that drag race, so we had to skip that one out. Also, the next one on the list would be the Zonda, which I totally messed up the top speed of. So I was looking at the specs of the wrong car. It can actually do 205 miles an hour instead of 217 in the game, but that's the newer model. So it actually does just under 200 miles an hour. So that wasn't actually top three. So that is why we picked these cars, and yeah, that's all I've got to say. So please subscribe, notifications on, and check us out on Instagram, and see you later.